go pick up my stage 2 cooler. It's an MTC intercooler, so it's rated to 300 brake, I believe. The last guy had it on his car for around 300-400 miles, so it's still pretty new. So yeah, I'm gonna pick up the camera when I get there or when I have the cooler in my hand. So I'll see you guys in a bit.
A few moments later.
So we grabbed the cooler. Bearing in mind, this video is not a how-to. This is how I done it, right? So if you guys want to follow my footsteps, follow my footsteps. My front end was a bit smashed up, so you know, little bolts here and there was, you know, not necessary to take off because, you know, the plastic was everywhere in shards. So yeah, just enjoy the video, I guess, and yeah, mate, just enjoy it, mate. So guys, here's the intercooler. It has a little bit of little bends and the things here and there, but what I'm gonna do is gonna get a screwdriver or even some pliers and just make it straight as possible, just so it has like maximum effective cooling thing. Even though it's a bit slight, like you're bound to get this because obviously when you're driving and the cars in front of you is going to be kicking up stones, and that's going to be damaging the intercooler. So that's basically what all of this is right here. So it's a minor. So yeah, let me get that done, and then the next clip you're going to see me fitting this to the car, and I'm going to show you how to fit it. Yeah, I took the front bumper off, and I'm doing the I'm changing the intercooler now. I do see a couple screws here and there. I know this is gonna have to come off. This 10mm or 8mm. This is gonna have to come off, and underneath there's a couple screws. I think this boost pipe has to come off, and this one over here as well. So once that comes off, I should be ready to fit this. So, oh, that's what broke. Crap. But yeah, should be ready to fit it soon. So there's screws along here, 8mm. Yeah, so screws, there's one here, and one here. So this is attaching to the actual frame. So you'll undo these, and this should be free afterwards. Okay, so there was one screw there, one screw there, one screw there, and then it slid through these tabs here. Now that was holding it in, and this whole under tray pops right off. But you also have to take off these little bits that go onto the bumper along there as well. So once these are off, this whole thing should come right out, and then you should be able to grab anything that you've dropped. So I've dropped this for the engine bay thing. So then it's just the intercooler that's here now. So we got to pull this off now, then fit this one. Easy peasy. Here's the clip, right? You got to put a flathead through there. And you got to wiggle it out till it's free. There we go. Should be free to come off now. There's a little bit of oil, but it's not uncommon. Got that off. I've got to do the right side. Get the right side off. Same thing. Ew, what is that? That looks like water and oil, bro, mixing. I'm gonna clean that out before I do that, but yeah. So there's a little 8mm screw here, and there should be one on the other side down there. So after I remove this, it seems like it's going to be free to just drop down. So let me do that quick. We've got an intercooler off. This is how it was before, obviously. Now we're going to compare it to the new one. You can see the difference. They're for at least twice the size. But ultimately, I think, yes, yeah, this is upside down right now. So ultimately, it should be like so. It should be something like this, matching that. So ultimately, this goes in that, I think, and then yeah, something like that. So yeah, let's just get this on. So yeah, here's the intercooler. I'll talk of these little brackets thingies that clips onto here because, you know, it's flipping useless anyway. So yeah, we're just gonna slide this over the little intercooler, and then I mean the intercooler piping. Use a jack to keep this level. And then once it's in, we tighten up and it should be freestanding. So let's get that done. Fitted it now. One tab it there, tab in there, and we've got the screws underneath here, and another one really here. And now it's mounted solidly, it's not going anywhere. So the intercooler is on now. If you're doing this alone, make sure you use a jack to help line up the bolts underneath. So yeah, all we've got to do now is the car started and everything runs. Now we just got to put the shit back together again. So yeah, let's just do that now then. So we got the intercooler fitted. It wasn't too hard. Overall it took at least an hour and a half by yourself, but if you're doing it with two people, then you can at least do it in 40-50 minutes at the max, right? So yeah, intercooler's on, the car is running sweet, no boost leaks. My MPG is a little bit better, obviously because, you know, the cold air and all of that. But yeah, you won't even know that I got an intercooler on here. Like, it looks so stock. Let me show you. Fuck, it's there, it's back again. What the fuck, fam? This was needs to leave, bro. Anyway, intercooler's there. You can't see it. Went for all black because I don't like the silver look. Everything is tight. The bumper ain't going nowhere. It's all sweet. So yeah. So intercooler's fitted. Very excited about that. So my car is 100% stage 2 ready. Stage 2 intercooler. We've got the D-cap, we've got the Scorpion catback exhaust system. The airbox can run up to stage 2, but if I was to go stage 3, I'm gonna have to change that. I'm still alive, thankfully. So yeah, the car's stage 2 ready. I will be down at DWA soon to be getting a stage 2 map put onto this car. And yeah, after that, I'm gonna be focusing on handling mods, you know, engine mounts, torque mounts, coilovers, tires, wheels, camber bolts, just the whole shebang, fam. There's so much coming for this car, like even the gearbox, LSD in the gearbox, ripping a better shifter, 0.6 shifters. Fam, so much stuff is happening, bro. You gotta stay tuned, fam. This channel is gonna be nuts, right? So without further ado, it's been your boy Shamsi signing out. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you reached to this end of this video, please comment. And yeah, so yeah, that's it. Bye.